most dangerous stunts in freestyle motocross. We are talking about the freestyle train. I want to see those fists in the air blowing the train whistle. The freestyle motocross train, we are about to attempt to get all 4 riders in the air at the same time. Once again, this is the most dangerous stunt in freestyle motocross. Let's line them up, boys. If you got a phone, if you got a camera, get them out, get them ready, get set. Let's go. Because this is Global FMX freestyle train. Lead the train, Mr. Cruz Garcia. Here we go. One last time, make some noise for Global FMX.